This is Novo Television iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns North, Cape Town City 1. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Igame yona bemnandi ngijabulile simachampion ngiyayibongela iCape Town City kuphula record weSundowns yona yodwa ku15 amateam ongahlulekile baba yona yodwa iphula record weSundowns ngiyayibongela iCape Town City phela bemnandi kakhulu yabezwa abantu bakhala komvala akekho umuntu ongenzi mistake alikho iplayer elizodlala 15 games lingana mistake abantu labo funeka sibabuke and badlalele lama player umuntu ayakhathala ngapha uyabona ke funeka siyibuke lento leyo singabuki phambili kuphela sibuka nalento bebayenza kukanjani umvala azidefendela amabhola anzima angithi yazi sizokhuluma ngemistake eyi1
angithi inkinga lapho lalela inkinga ukuthi abantu umuntu menze into enhle siyibona
kanti sikhuluma kanti funeka sikhulumele lokuhle kwenzayo singabuki njengamanje abaningi bebadeka Rulani bathi Rulani mina ngiyabona mistake yakhe naku winile team iyiphi coach yakhe yakwenza
final Nedbank Cup
sifanele ku-Nedbank Cup iyiphi coach yakhe yakwenza so ayikho ne-1 but funeka siyibonga nendlela uyabongela Sundowns kwama-champion we are the champion
nazo comment congratulations wakho